Here's an 8-game LED buzzer kit. The main thing is making it useful to actually use with a party or something. It's basically a breadboard design with LEDs and L4 SL273 IC, some other trigger ICs, and here I give you a demonstration. Little momentary switch. First player goes, buzzer goes off. You see that these others are not, they're latched. Hit the reset. Again. This one's first. That. Now for the inside of the box. See, it's D-cell batteries, breadboard, the ICs, some transistors. For portability, I put a little plastic thing over here. I put the wires in a small little bag, and then you can put them all in there. I usually take out a battery so it won't corrode, and then it's very portable.